Hi everyone. So in this particular video, we will be looking that how we can close a browser instance. Also, we will be looking how we can or what is the difference between driver.close method and driver.quit method. So the application is this, and here it is, the multiple window. So currently we are on this window. So when we will be launching our browser with like driver.get and the URL, this will be the current window that will be opening up. And when we click on this, click here, a new window will open up. So our task is to close this browser instance, right? So let's get back to our Eclipse and let's see how we can do this. I will be creating a new class. Um, Let me name it browser close and quit and public static void main. And I will be copying what the first two steps are the same, where I'm giving the property of the Chrome driver and initializing my driver. Now driver.get, where get to this URL, paste it over here. Now you have to click over here. So inspect. So it's the link. Okay, and the text is link text is click here. So driver dot find element by what? By link text. What is the link text? Paste it over here. What action you have to perform in this? You have to click, right? So let me click. Now, once I click on this, a new tab is opening up. Now to show you like the difference, thread.sleep, I'm putting a sleep of 3 seconds. There's no. And then what I'm doing, I'm trying to close this browser. Okay. So what is the method? Driver.close is your method. Okay. This method closes your browser, but the thing is to observe whether it is actually closing the browser or it is doing some other behavior or it is doing some other task. Let's see. Okay, so I am running this. So this particular URL will be launched. It will be clicking on this. Now what is it? 3 seconds. So you saw the browser did not close, but the first tab has been closed where this driver was pointing, right? So this is driver.close method that we saw. Now let's see what happens with driver.method. Let me run it as a Java application. Again, the browser opened and with the URL clicked on, waiting for 3 seconds. Now you see the browser instance got closed. So this driver.close closes your current window, or you can say tab, where the driver is pointing. Okay, now you might be asking, why is it closing and how do we know where this driver is pointing to? This first tab only, not on the second tab, right? So we will be discussing this in our upcoming session. There is a concept of switching the window from one window to another. So currently we are working on this window. To work on this, to point our driver to this particular tab, we have to switch from this tab to this tab. And when this driver.close will be executed, if your driver is pointing to this second tab, then this second tab will be closed. This we will be discussing in the upcoming session. Till then, just understand the concept that driver.close closes the current tab where your driver is pointing, whereas the driver.quit what it's going to do, it will close the driver, your browser instance, okay, completely. So this was the difference between driver.close and quit, and we saw how we can achieve, like we have seen the in a practical way also. So guys, this is all in this video. Just like, subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye. Um, where's the meeting control? I'm just stopping it. Stop.